Ki muktiar ne nong side an haka jylla kila pynpaw ka jing KTANG Kaba Khraw bat ka Duhnong Kaba Shuh hadien baka jaka treikam jongki kaba jutip ka Shillong Bar Association kala shah bamdu haka ding haka miet tarik Rymphang haka por kumba shipho baji tam AA. Haba yo banyak kren bat ki ngut ki muktiar ki bala kham rangbah bat ki bala don kumba snem haka Katei ka jaka kila shibun ba ki kot donkam kum ki case record ki bank documents, bank case, state file, land documents, bat ki dolar pata, bat ki weki kot donkam. Shu kawe ni kinang saj an, kala pynpaw ba Nangno Shuh Ngin ya ki kot ki Sla donkam jongki, bat kala shem shitom ya ki banyo biang, kham tam haka bayadei bat ki dolar ni ki pata. Kala ya ka building nila ban Tei Biang Hynrei ya ki kot ki Sla Nangno Shuh Ngin kala ru ba kumba kalong menta ki don hadu news pa tam ki nong side an ki bajuan testa ha Katei ka chamber bat kuntu bat ki bam kampoi tikna kila don palat hajar ngut ki nong side an kani ka jing plu jong ka jaka treikam jong ki kalawan ra ka jing Duhnong Kaba Khraw ya baro ki nong side an.
In that, we are around 700 who are regular. Otherwise, we are more than 1,000. Some they keep in the thing their own chambers. So see my books. All this is mine now. Because this is where that Almira was there. No? When I came, this is all mine. This is also mine. Look at the files. Books are burned. These books are so expensive. Bills are burned. Files are and original documents are burned. Okay, constructing is something different, but what loss is that of original documents, and the original documents are of the clients, right? Like title suits, then the original maps, original things, original titles, sale deeds, and then other deeds, original, which is very difficult to get because maybe we have one piece like that, and it's difficult to construct from wherever they got also, no? Like Dulir from the CM and all that. There is Kerium, Gaumbura and all. We don't have from where to get that. That is only once made. So all these things, title suits, those are big losses where we lost so many original title deeds which we cannot reconstruct. Recent ones we can reconstruct, like registration department we can reconstruct, but given from the thing CM, Kirium, all that difficult to, and very old ones, very old ones, difficult. So it's a big loss. We are fighting cases where the records are of even before 1900 or 1800 or so. Like I have lost original map of 1911. 1911. And some papers of British time also. I can tell about me because my books and all. I have lost here around because I have a chamber. I keep things there also. But with books and file and all, will be around 40,000, 40 to 50,000. Just things which are kept here. Because so many rulings also have kept. See these books. These are very expensive ones. To see, maybe we'll ask from the High Court to give us little space for the time being, because there are some new buildings also, and we'll request the CJ. Just yesterday it happened. We had just trying to find out what we have lost and how much we have lost. Yeah, we will meet the government also. We are planning to seek help from them also, and for that time, immediate time being, we thought of we'll have a meeting today. But seeing this yesterday, till now we cannot assert, but could be short circuit or somebody left something on. Could be that only. Otherwise, it is always locked. So maybe somebody just used some heating material and left it on. Maybe then it's a short circuit.
That's very difficult to see unless it has been properly investigated the matter, how this fire was broke out, etc. But at night at 10:30 or 11, quarter to 11, we got information that there was a fire broke out in this Shillong Bar Association. Very difficult to just quantify in terms of money. But yes, those who are sitting in this bar, they have lost their files. Nothing could retrieve the file. Not a single file could be retrieved. All are burnt, some are destroyed. Even the books also, in the book libraries also are destroyed. Totally destroyed our library. Not a single book could be retrieved. Files If it is land matters, the land documents are there. Sometimes original land documents also there. If it is a bank case, bank's documents are there. All those papers are there concerning these court cases. No? And unless this has been exhibited to the court, those original is written by the lawyers so that they can exhibit to the court. Those are exhibited to the court, okay, we can get it the certified true copy. But those which was with us, was about to this exhibit before the court, those have been destroyed. So it will hamper this case also of my view, because you cannot produce any of this primary evidence, but we have to put the secondary evidence if there is a xerox copy. So naturally it will hamper our cases also.
Okay.
Discussion is going on with the CA, our district judge, our honorable this, lordship, this from the High Court, Justice H.S. Thank you also visited. So we are exploring the possibilities to get nearby any accommodations.